I am Suzanne Allan, and I am competing in the 2018 windshield repair competition. I went to Auto Glass Week for the very first time last year in Florida when my husband Cody Allan won first place in the windshield replacement competition. And as I was sitting there at the award ceremony, I knew I wanted to come back. I wanted to come back and compete. There was no women out there at all. GlasWeld has helped me so much because when I had that idea, I approached Shiloh and told him, I'm coming back next year. We need to get girls out there. I know I can do it. And he supported me 100% since that day. I knew I could do it, and talking to everybody in the industry and trying to find my way and, with Cody's help and Shiloh and Alicia, I had all these support system, and I'm here, because I know that I can do this. As a mother of 3 girls, age ranging from 12 to 2, I would be able to make my own schedule, schedule the appointments to where they're at school and I can still pick them up. I would be able to have time freedom. Having my own windshield repair company, it really would just be such a blessing for our family for me to be able to do something like that and still be present every day in my children and my husband's life. In this industry, it's a male-dominant industry, so coming in as a woman, it was more intimidating to start and really put myself out there, and all the people that I've come in contact with or who have helped me or trained me or given me advice to do it this way has been great. Everyone's coming in with open arms. We have done trainings with GlasWeld, and the support is overwhelming. They've had my back from the beginning, pushed me, helped me, taught me tricks, troubleshooted with me when I had questions, and they're patient. It's just been a really great experience working with GlasWeld to become a windshield repair technician. Don't be intimidated. We can do it.